Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to see the keyboard shortcuts for working with pages. So in case you're working in Microsoft OneNote pages and you have a lot of petty work to complete, then definitely these keyboard shortcuts are helpful. So let's start with the first shortcut. That is how to enable or disable the full page view. So you have to press F11 to enter the full page view. So this is my full page view, and to disable the full page view, I have to press F11 again. Now next is to open a new OneNote window. So to open a new OneNote window, I just have to press Ctrl plus M. So here you can see that two windows are open. And then if you wish to print the current page, then you have to press Ctrl plus P. Then the print pop-up will appear, and here you can select your preferences and print the required data. And now here, if I wish to increase the width of the page navigation pane, or if I wish to decrease the width of the page navigation pane, then the shortcuts are Control plus Shift plus left bracket to increase and Control plus Shift plus right bracket to decrease. So I'm increasing the width, and here I'm decreasing the width. Okay, now next is to create a new sub page below the current page. So basically, if I wish to create a sub page below this page, then the shortcut is Control plus Shift plus Alt plus N. So my sub page has been created here. Now if you wish to select all the items, then the shortcut is Control plus A. So if I press Control plus A, then this will get selected. Then if you wish to expand your selection, then you have to go on pressing Control plus A. Like this, all the items will get selected. Now next is to move the selected page up and down in the navigation pane. So if I wish to move this page, then the shortcut is Alt plus Shift plus up arrow to move up, and Alt plus Shift plus down arrow to move the page down. So I'm moving the page down, and here I'm moving the page up again. So these are the shortcuts for moving the page. And next is how to scroll up in the current page and how to scroll down in the current page. So in case you're not working with a mouse, then the shortcuts to scroll up and down are page up and page down buttons. Very easy. Now to scroll to the top of the current page, the shortcut is Control plus Home. So if I press Control plus Home, then I'll be navigated to the top. And if I press Control plus End, then I'll be navigated to the bottom of the current page here. Next is how to move the cursor up on the current page or expand the page up, and how to move cursor down on the current page or expand the page down. So if you wish to move the cursor up, the shortcut is Control plus Alt plus up arrow key, and if you wish to move the cursor down, then the shortcut is Control plus Alt plus down arrow key. Okay. Now if you wish to go to the next container, so these are two containers that I've created, and if I'm in the left container and I want to go to the next container, then the shortcut is Alt plus down arrow key. So I'll be shifted to the next container. And now if I wish to go to the previously visited page, then the shortcut is Alt plus left arrow key. So doing that, I'll be able to visit the previous page. Now the next shortcut is zooming in and zooming out. So if you wish to zoom in, then the shortcut is Alt plus Control plus the plus sign on the numeric keypad, and to zoom out, Alt plus Control plus the minus sign. And lastly, now when you're done with all the changes and you wish to synchronize your notebook, then you simply have to press Ctrl plus S. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to check out our Microsoft OneNote playlist where we have discussed more amazing videos, and do subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.